Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. Hold on a second, I'm gonna get the cat. You see, I try, and the kitty just has no interest, it appears. Well, anyways, here we have an unboxing all the way from the old country, from Yorkshire, England, indeed, specifically Sheffield, or very close to it, from a good friend, Stephen Heath. Very, very nice of him to send this along from England. So we're gonna get inside this package and see what we have here. Bear with me as I attempt to make headway. First, we'll take off the outer wrapping of the package. Very kind of Mr. Heath, indeed, to send this along. Yes, indeed. It's like Christmas wrapping paper here. Wow, it's a nice, hefty package here. Maybe I'm allergic to Yorkshire. I don't know, or allergic. I don't hope not. So here we go. Here's the package. All right, I'm excited to see what's inside of it. Here, by Stephen Heath. No soft teak and cuddly kitty here to get in the way, which makes me sad. These kitties have gone cantankerous. I tell you, it's crazy. They're not as interested anymore in these unboxings. All right, let's see what we have here. All right, very nice. Wow, wow. He's going to culture me on the things of Yorkshire. And the first thing to start is Yorkshire dialect classics and how to speak Yorkshire. Look at that. Wow, that is so cool. As gaumless as a goose. Them yates moist pudding. I'll have to take a look at this. Whoa, look at there. Wow. So we have a bookmarked here by this golden $100 bill, a U.S. bill here. Very nice. That is really cool. But it's bookmarked at the Sheffield Cutler song. So let's take a look at this real quick. Come on, you Cutland heroes, wheresoe'er you be, all that you want works flat blacks, come listen unto me. A basket full of shilling, to making as we're willing, or swapping for some errands, our bellies to the filling. Very cool. All right. I'm sure I'm not doing that exactly correctly, but I'll bookmark it to practice for the next live stream for Stephen Heath. Very nice care package here indeed. Wow. And looky here. Wow. Very cool. Yorkshire mixture. Look at that. It is an assortment of fruit, aniseed, and peppermint flavored sweets. That is interesting. Wow, I'm going to try that during the live streams too. Yorkshire mixtures. Very cool. All right, we'll set that aside here. Next, we have a chocolate orange. Wow. Or if that's any homage to our president, not sure. Chocolate orange. Very interesting indeed. We'll have to try that in the next live stream here to see how that is. Very cool. Orange and chocolate. Let's see. Oh, hey, looky here. There's a little note here. Hey, Sal, some Yorkshire sweets in a new slurping cup and a book you will not understand. Check page 41 and a coin. Enjoy, my friend. Thank you for all the hard work you put into YouTube. Well, thank you, my friend Stephen Heath. It's a blessing, and I appreciate. Was I on page 41? I think he had bookmarked that. Yes, that's the page I read. So I discovered that before the there, and I guess this is the mug. So let's pull this box out here and take a look at the mug. Well, that looks like it's going to be a big one. All right. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, look at this. Wow, it's a metal mug. Wow, that's awesome. I wonder if it's made of Sheffield steel. That is cool. Whoa, look at that. Salivate Metal, it says there. That is so cool. Wow. Awesome. Stephen Heath, that is incredible. Thank you so much, my friend. Let's see here. Sheffield, yep, Sheffield. Sheffield, England, there it is. Very cool, wow. I will treasure that for sure. And here is a coin. Look at this. Let's see what we've got here. Ah, wow, it's the Marlin. Look at that, a silver Marlin. That is so cool. Thank you, Stephen. The 2017 Marlin. 1 ounce fine silver with the lovely queen on the obverse of the piece. I've always liked these, how they have that shimmer and the sort of that wavy water-like background on there. Very cool. Thank you so much, my friend. Treasure all of this stuff here. Let's pull it all out so we can see it together in one fell swoop. Lots of metal and book. There it is. There it is. All right. Stephen Heath, thank you so much, my friend. A wonderful little care package for your old Sal here. I'll practice my Yorkshire and enjoy all this stuff. So a multitude of gratitude to you, sir, and to all you others for watching. I'd like to encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.